Unleash the power of nutritious blending with the Ninja BN401. Tired of bulky blenders and underwhelming results? The Ninja BN401, a Nutri Pro compact personal blender, is here to revolutionize your smoothie and healthy drink game. This sleek, powerful machine packs a 1,100-watt peak motor that effortlessly crushes ice, seeds, and even whole fruits and vegetables, unlocking maximum nutrients in every blend. 2 Auto-iQ programs take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring perfectly smooth results every time. Plus, convenient to-go cups with spout lids let you enjoy your creations on the go. Cleaning is a breeze, with dishwasher-safe parts for ultimate convenience. Imagine nutrient-packed green smoothies, creamy frozen desserts, or vibrant sauces, all made quickly and easily. The Ninja BN401, as Pro Extractor blades, ensure you get the most out of your ingredients, leaving nothing behind. Don't settle for ordinary blending. Upgrade to the Ninja BN401 and experience the difference. Visit our product page now to learn more and order yours today.